Pull the S Pen out, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra suddenly feels like a different phone. Samsung fans are going to notice a clear change when holding the Galaxy S26 Ultra with the S Pen removed. For the first time ever, Samsung has reshaped the S Pen's upper tip to perfectly match the phone's body design. Ahead of Samsung's official unveiling, casemaker Duxdusis published a landing page for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, revealing high-quality case images. These visuals don't just show accessories, they give us a very close look at the phone's final design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a prominent camera island housing 3 of the 4 sensors. The lenses appear larger than before, and the return of metal camera rings now seems certain. 2 smaller lenses sit outside the island, handling the TOF sensor and telephoto camera. When it comes to the corners, the Galaxy S26 Ultra takes another step away from its Note-inspired roots. The corners are more rounded than those on the S25 Ultra, reflecting Samsung's ongoing effort to soften the design and improve overall aesthetics. Samsung has also made a noticeable design change to the S Pen itself. The upper portion of the stylus has been reshaped to align with the phone's rounded corners. This change comes from shifting the S Pen slot closer to the edge of the frame rather than leaving a visible gap. Users familiar with older S Pen-equipped phones will immediately feel the difference. While the slot opening at the bottom still feels subtle, it's now partially exposed from 2 angles due to the new placement. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 series on February 25th, with devices reportedly going on sale on March 11th, 2026. So yeah, this is one of those small design tweaks that quietly changes how the phone feels every single day. What do you think? Smart refinement or unnecessary change? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.